So today I'm going to be unboxing the Seiko Special Edition SSC697. And those of you that know your Seiko numbers knows that this special edition is the new Jimmie Johnson edition for 2018. So here you go. It's a classy box, black, silver writing. You got the Jimmie Johnson signature there. And let's open this guy up. Ooh, check out that beautiful piece of foam. Nope, here we go. It's a handsome looking watch. I like the gray background. I'm glad they didn't go with their usual black or white. It really makes the watch jump out. And the box is cool. You got the picture of Jimmie Johnson in the back there. Solar powered at the speed of light. Now this is a solar watch, and that's why you got that solar tagline right there. And you can see it's a nice thinner watch, especially for Seiko. So this watch is a chronograph. It measures up to 60 minutes of elapsed time. And the size, for you guys who are big on size, it's 45.5 millimeters. And you can see, even though it's that size, it really feels smaller. It looks smaller than it is. I guess that's because of the thinness of the watch. Here you can take a look at the back. We've got the Jimmie Johnson signature again, you know, showing that this is his watch. It's a special edition. Well, look at this. This is pretty cool, guys. You got the like a tire track design on the inside of the watch. Real nice, kind of just hidden there. Yeah, when I first saw this band, I was kind of worried that it would have open parts at by the head of the watch, because the more open parts you have in a rubber band, the more likely it's going to break there when you're using it a lot. But those open parts just appear open. It's sealed, like you can see through the back there. The only holes you have are for the buckle. So here we got the watch again. Suggested retail on that is $495. The caliber, the V176, that is a solar power caliber. This watch also has a cabochon crown and a sapphire crystal. That's pretty impressive for a Couture Seiko watch. And here, if you look at the face, you can see it's got that cool tire tread, you know, along the rim of the face there. It's pretty neat how they keep paying homage to Jimmie Johnson in this watch here. So far, I think it's my favorite of the Jimmie Johnson editions. And you can see what I mean about it feeling like a smaller watch when it's here on my wrist. When I looked at and measured it, I was surprised that it was only 45.5 millimeters, because it really fits a little smaller, but it hugs you. It's kind of like a glove. The only problem is it's a built-in band, so you can't switch bands. In a couple years, you know, they might stop making that rubber band, then you're kind of out of luck. Here we got the lume. I like that it's got some lume. A lot of the watches don't have lume, but this one's got a nice one. It's an interesting pattern there. So there you go, Jimmie Johnson's 2018 watch.